Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XYO token, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of XYO network, and we are also going to do a prediction about XYO network, guys. Keep watch this video complete, and also please, if you are new in my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of XYO in the market is 0.02982 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO. And guys, furthermore, if you study the price changes update of last 24 hours, so in the last 24 hours, negative 1.19% changes over in the XYO network. Furthermore, if you study the price chart of XYO network, so that's very good news for all of you. And you know what, guys, my prediction are going like that. I believe, guys, that at the last half month, a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of coins start pumping, guys. Same like that. Now it is the remaining days of 8 days of September remaining. So I'm sure, guys, that in these days SLP also, but XYO network continuously pump, guys. I'm sure that now to the last of September they will continue gradually pump. I'm sure about that, and that's my prediction about XYO network, guys. Anyways, guys, if you agree with me, like this video, and guys, also share your opinion, what you think about XYO network. Also share in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.